Have you ever wanted to change your life but still found yourself doing nothing? You may have a dream, you may have a goal, you may even feel, I know I am meant for more. But when it is time to take action, you feel stuck. And then the mind starts saying, maybe I am lazy, maybe I am not disciplined, maybe I will never change. But before you believe those thoughts, pause. Sometimes you are not lazy. Sometimes you are simply unclear. Many people think that if they really wanted something, they would automatically take action. But that is not always true. You can deeply want a better life and still feel confused. You can want to start again and still not know where to begin. You can have a beautiful dream and still feel scared, doubtful, or overwhelmed. This does not mean something is wrong with you. It may simply mean your goal is not clear enough yet. Because when your goal is unclear, your mind does not know what to do next. And when your mind does not know what to do next, it often chooses the easiest option. Pause, postpone, avoid. So today, I want to gently offer you a different way to look at being stuck. Maybe you do not need more pressure. Maybe you do not need to force yourself. Maybe you do not need to criticize yourself. Maybe what you need first is clarity. Because clarity gives direction, and direction makes action feel lighter. When you know what matters, why it matters, and what the next small step is, you begin to move. Not perfectly, not all at once, but gently, one step at a time. The first reason you may feel stuck is this. Your goal may be too vague. For example, you may say, I want to improve my life. I want to be successful. I want to feel better. I want to grow. These are beautiful desires, but they are not clear directions yet. Your mind needs something more specific. Because if the goal is vague, the next step will also feel vague. And when the next step is vague, starting feels heavy. So instead of asking, what should I do with my whole life? Ask a smaller question. What is one area of my life where I want more clarity right now? That question is easier. It gives your mind a place to begin. The second reason you may feel stuck is this. Your goal may not be emotionally connected. Sometimes we choose goals because they sound good, because others are doing them, because society says they are important, because we think we should want them. But a goal that only sounds good may not move your heart. And if your heart is not connected, your action will feel dry. You may start for a few days and then slowly stop. Not because you are weak, but because the goal does not feel meaningful enough inside you. A meaningful goal needs a meaningful reason. So gently ask yourself, why does this goal matter to me? Not to others, not to society, not to prove something, to me. That one question can bring your goal closer to your heart. The third reason you may feel stuck is this. The next step is not clear. Many people look at their dream and immediately think about the whole journey. They think about everything they need to learn, everything they need to fix, everything they need to become, everything that could go wrong. And suddenly, the goal feels too big. But you are not meant to solve the whole future today. You only need the next small step, not the next 100 steps. Just one. A small step could be writing one page in your journal, watching one helpful lesson, making one phone call, cleaning one corner of your workspace, or spending 10 minutes planning your week. Small steps may look simple, but they create movement, and movement builds belief. Sometimes the reason we feel stuck is not because the dream is impossible. It is because we are carrying too much at once. We are trying to answer every question today. What if I fail? What if I choose the wrong goal? What if I waste time? What if people judge me? What if I cannot stay consistent? These questions can feel heavy, but you do not need to answer every fear before you begin. You can begin with a small amount of clarity. You can begin with a small amount of courage. You can begin with one gentle step. You do not need to feel fully ready. You only need to start with what is clear today. Now, take a quiet moment and ask yourself these 3 questions. Question 1. What is one area of my life where I feel stuck right now? Question 2. What do I truly want in this area? Question 3. What is one small step I can take this week? Do not force perfect answers. Just write what feels honest. Sometimes clarity does not come as a big dramatic answer. Sometimes clarity comes as one simple sentence, and that one sentence can become your next step. So here is your small action for today. Choose one meaningful goal, not 10 goals, not your whole life plan. Just one goal that matters to you right now. Then choose one small step. Make it so small that your mind does not feel scared. Make it simple enough to begin. Because clarity does not come only from thinking. Clarity also comes from taking one honest step. And after that step, the next step becomes easier to see. If you feel stuck right now, please remember this. You are not broken. You are not behind. You are not failing because you do not have your whole life figured out. You may simply need more clarity, more emotional connection, and one small next step. Clarity first, action next. And if you want help finding your next clear goal, I have a free resource for you. Download the free Goal Clarity Starter Kit from the link in the description. You can also comment clarity and I will guide you to it. Start gently. One meaningful goal, one small step. That is enough for today.